Unlock effortless sharing for your Google Forms by transforming them into scannable QR codes. First, navigate to your Google Form. Once it's perfected and ready for distribution, locate the Send button, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking Send will open a dialog box. Within this box, you'll see several options for sharing. We want the Link tab, which is often represented by a chain icon. Make sure this tab is selected. To make your QR code more manageable and cleaner, check the Shorten URL box. This will condense your long Google Form link into a compact, easier-to-use version. Now, copy this shortened URL with your link copied. Open a new tab in your browser and go to your preferred free online QR code generator. On the QR code generator website, locate the field where you can paste your URL. Paste the Google Form link you just copied, then click the Generate QR Code or similar button to create your custom code. And just like that, your unique QR code is ready. Download the image now. Anyone with a smartphone can simply scan this code and be instantly directed to your Google Form, simplifying data collection for surveys, registrations, or feedback. Make sharing profoundly simple. #Kakata tutorial. #Google Forms.